Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 15 of 100-Day Code of the Programming Zone. Today, we're taking our function building skills to the next level by exploring input parameters in Python. Imagine functions as powerful tools, but with the ability to interact with the world around them. Input parameters are like the handles that allow these tools to receive information and perform actions based on user input. Get ready to elevate your Python skills and unleash the power of input-driven functions. What are input parameters? Think of input parameters as the ingredients for your functions. They provide the necessary data for your functions to perform their tasks. Just like a chef needs specific ingredients to bake a cake, your functions need specific input parameters to execute their instructions. Why are input parameters important? Input parameters make your functions versatile and adaptable. They allow your functions to handle different scenarios and respond to user input, making your code more dynamic and user-friendly. Imagine you want to calculate the area of a rectangle, but the dimensions can vary. Input parameters allow your function to accept different length and width values, making it reusable for various rectangles. Let's see it in action. Example 1, greeting user with input. Let's modify our greeting function to accept the user's name as input. Def greet username. Print f hello, name. Username equals input. What is your name? Greet user username. In this code, we've added a parameter named name to the greet user function. The function now accepts the user's name as input and uses it to personalize the greeting. Bonus tip, functions can have multiple input parameters. Example 2, calculating area with input. Let's modify our area calculation function to accept length and width as input. Def calculate area length, width. Area equals length width. Return area. Rectangle length equals float, then input into the length. Rectangle width equals float, then input into the width. Area equals calculate area, enter rectangle length, rectangle width. Print f the area of the rectangle is area. In this code, the calculate area function now accepts two parameters, length and width. These parameters are retrieved from the user's input and used to calculate the area of the rectangle. By now, you should have mastered input parameters in Python. They are the key to creating versatile and user-friendly functions. Remember, input parameters allow your functions to adapt to different scenarios, respond to user input, and make your code more dynamic and reusable. So, go forth and empower your functions with input parameters, unlocking the full potential of functional programming in Python. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding fun.